Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add mixed fractions with like denominators. First of all, we're going to separate the whole part and the fraction part. The mixed fraction is made up of whole part and the fractional part, right? So I'm going to separate these two things. 4 and 2/5 can be written as 4 plus 2/5 because 4 is a whole part and 2/5 is a fractional part. And I've separated it. Now I'm going to put the plus sign in between, and then I'm going to separate this fraction. So this can be written as 1 plus 3/5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine the whole parts. I'm going to put them together. 4 plus 1, and then I'm going to combine the fractional part. So I'm going to put 2/5 and 3/5 together. Now we can combine the whole parts. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is going to give me 5. And then you see that I have same denominators. Whenever you have light denominators, you can go ahead and add the fractions. So we're going to add these fractions. So 2 plus 3 is going to give me 5. Remember that when we have same denominators, we can just go ahead and add the numerators, right? So I'm going to add 2 plus 3 is going to give me 5, and then we don't add the denominators. So the denominator is still going to stay 5. Now what is 5 divided by 5? 5 divided by 5 can be written as 1. And 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So my final answer is going to be 6. That's all in this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.